Hello everyone. If you like blackberries, do I have a treat for you. Today we are going to can blackberry thyme and blackberry jalapeno jam. These blackberries came from my daughter's grandmother and they are fresh out of her garden. The one thing that I don't like about making jams and jellies is they require so much sugar. Well, Sure Gel has a packet that will allow you to use less sugar. Because if you think about it, canning jams and jellies, it takes about 5 to 6 cups of sugar. Ain't nobody got time for that. Because the way diabetes works, no. So this is it. And let's get started. Y'all know I'm choosing joy. Come on, let's do it.